Welcome to the future of mobility. Here, advanced Chinese lithium-ion batteries already power a silent green revolution on our streets. From the laptops we work on to the toys our children play with, these batteries seamlessly drive our everyday lives. Behind these massive, highly secure walls lies a state-of-the-art Gigafactory, engineered to meet the world's surging demand for energy. Step inside a high-tech facility where millions of cells are born daily, guarded by advanced biometrics and welcoming smiles. Our journey begins with the science. This 3D hologram reveals how lithium ions move, capturing decades of rapid technological evolution. Perfection is non-negotiable. Every cell design undergoes rigorous X-ray and microscopic inspections to ensure absolute safety and peak performance. Welcome to the Gigafactory. Beyond this airlock lies a Class 1000 cleanroom, where purity is just as important as power. Before entering, strict contamination control is required. Specialized anti-static suits and masks ensure no microscopic particles compromise the battery's integrity. The final step is a high-pressure HEPA-filtered air shower. It blasts away stray fibers, securing a pristine manufacturing environment. A warm welcome to the production floor. You are about to witness the synchronized, automated birth of our energy future. The process starts here. Ultra-pure lithium carbonate powder cascades into the system, perfectly measured for the first crucial mixing stage. Inside the high-shear mixer, solvents and additives transform the dry white powder into a rich, conductive black cathode slurry. The slurry flows through magnetic filters and a vacuum chamber, stripping away microbubbles and impurities for a perfectly uniform paste. This pristine slurry is precisely coated onto ultra-thin copper foil. The exact thickness determines the battery's ultimate energy density. Emerging from the drying oven, the finished cathode electrode is wound into massive mother rolls, passing microscopic edge inspections. Simultaneously, graphite slurry coats another copper web to create the anode. Both lines operate in perfect, tightly controlled harmony. Next, these massive electrode rolls are cleanly slit into precise, customer-specific widths, with vacuums instantly removing any hazardous dust. A delicate, porous polymer separator film is continuously unspooled. This critical layer prevents short circuits while letting lithium ions flow. Anode, cathode, and separators converge at lightning speed. They are tightly wound together to form the internal cylindrical jelly roll. Skipping ahead to fulfillment, automated arms carefully pack finished, tested cells into secure trays and label them for global destinations. Forklifts load shrink-wrapped pallets into climate-controlled trucks. These batteries are now prepped for their long journey to EV manufacturers. The convoy hits the highway. Millions of cells leave the factory daily, ready to power the worldwide electric vehicle revolution. But let's step back inside. Before these cells were sealed, they entered a vacuum oven to remove every trace of moisture. At 120 degrees Celsius under deep vacuum, infrared heaters vaporize invisible water droplets, preventing dangerous reactions later in the process. Once completely dry, the cells are cooled and the oven is flooded with dry nitrogen gas to maintain an inert environment. The cooled cells move seamlessly into a sealed glove box filled with pure argon gas, protecting them from atmospheric oxygen and humidity. A robotic head precisely injects the volatile liquid electrolyte under vacuum. This is the exact moment the battery comes to life. During the formation phase, cells undergo their very first charge cycle. This careful electrical conditioning builds a protective internal layer. Any gas generated during formation is vacuumed out, and a precise laser weld permanently seals the cell, ensuring lifelong safety. Robotic arms sort the completed cells based on their final capacity and resistance tests. Only top-grade components reach our customers. Power requires stability. In the thermal engineering lab, cells are locked into chambers to simulate freezing, -40-degree climates. Even at -20 degrees, the cells undergo high-rate discharge tests, proving they can reliably power vehicles in severe winters. The chamber shifts to a blistering 60 degrees Celsius. The cells fast-charge safely, proving their resilience against extreme desert heat. In the ultimate safety trial, a cell is deliberately pierced. Thermal barriers successfully prevent the fire from spreading to neighboring cells. Engineers analyze this extreme test data using advanced thermal modeling, tweaking coolant channels by mere millimeters to perfect heat dissipation. On the pack line, precision robots apply thermal interface materials and install extruded aluminum cooling plates to stabilize the cells. The fully assembled pack undergoes rigorous thermal cycling. The battery management system confirms uniform temperatures across every single cell. Validated and sealed, the heavy-duty battery pack is loaded for shipping. The journey from raw powder to stable power is complete. From electric vehicles on open highways to grid storage and home electronics, these thermally optimized batteries power a cleaner world. This is how Chinese innovation and relentless engineering turn raw lithium into the driving force of the global EV revolution. Pushing boundaries further, engineers use immersive virtual reality to visualize coolant flows and optimize thermal designs before physical parts exist. That virtual design is instantly sent to an industrial metal 3D printer, rapidly forging complex, custom cooling manifolds layer by layer. The 3D printed prototype is immediately flow tested. Blue coolant circulates smoothly through the intricate channels, proving the design maintains perfect pressure. Placed under extreme electrical load, the prototype manifold keeps the entire battery pack uniformly cool, passing the thermal camera inspection flawlessly. With data validated, the engineering director digitally signs off. The optimized thermal design is officially released for mass production tooling. In the tool workshop, a 5-axis CNC mill carves the final injection mold from a block of solid aluminum with micrometer precision. The completed mold meets molten metal. High-pressure die casting produces the very first flawless cooling manifold, ready for automated assembly. Back on the high-speed line, vision-guided robots align and bolt the new cooling manifolds onto the battery packs with perfect torque. An automated nozzle injects a precise volume of dielectric coolant into the circuit, followed immediately by a strict pressure decay leak test. Collaborative robots secure the pack cover. A final barcode scan confirms a perfect testing history, clearing the unit for immediate shipment. Secured in climate-monitored intermodal containers, these massive power stores begin their journey by rail, tracked every kilometer of the way. The train arrives at the EV plant. Workers break the tamper-evident seals, revealing pristine battery packs ready for the assembly line. A robotic lift raises the pack into the vehicle chassis. Quick connect couplers lock the thermal management systems together seamlessly. Fully integrated and quality assured, the new electric vehicle silently rolls off the line, actively managing its own battery temperature. Out on the open coastal highway, families enjoy a smooth, quiet ride, trusting the battery to stay cool and reliable. Back in the garage, the car fast charges safely. The thermal management system quietly cycles, keeping the battery stable under heavy load. This exact same cooling technology scales massively, stabilizing thousands of interconnected battery units to support the global electrical grid. As the sun sets, vast amounts of renewable solar energy are stored safely in these thermal-managed batteries, powering a decarbonized night. It all leads here. Reliable, clean energy instantly illuminates a child's bedroom, driving a sustainable future for the next generation. Through rigorous thermal engineering and relentless innovation, Chinese manufacturing is successfully stabilizing the power stores of the global EV revolution.